Ever wondered how a simple nightly ritual could boost your health significantly? Welcome, nutrition navigators, to a refreshing voyage through the citrus sea. Today, we'll explore the tantalizing topic of drinking lemon water before bed. Now, we aren't talking about a magical elixir or a secret potion, just a humble glass of lemon water. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. This tangy tonic is a powerhouse, packed with a variety of health-enhancing benefits. From supporting your immune system to aiding weight loss, soothing sore throats, and even helping prevent kidney stones, lemon water is a lot more than just a tasteful beverage. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey, slicing into the various ways this zesty refresher can enhance your health. Now sit back and get ready to dive into the zesty world of lemon water benefits. Let's start with the first squeeze of benefits, shall we? When life gives you lemons, you make lemon water and drink it before bed. Why, you may ask? Well, for starters, the vitamin C in lemons offers a boost to your immune system. It's like your body's own personal cheerleader, encouraging the production of white blood cells and offering antioxidant protection. Then there's the weight loss aspect. Lemon's polyphenols are like that friend who never lets you go to the snack cupboard late at night. They boost your metabolic rates and promote a feeling of fullness to curb those pesky midnight cravings. Sore throat? No problem. The combination of warm water and lemon is like a cozy blanket for your throat, providing direct comfort and immune support. But wait, there's more. Lemon's flavonoids are nifty little things. They help reduce inflammation by neutralizing those harmful free radicals. It's like having a tiny superhero in your glass, fighting off the bad guys. And after a long day, who doesn't want a bit of stress relief? Lemon water can have a calming effect on the nervous system, thanks to flavonoids that enhance relaxation-promoting neurotransmitters. It's essentially a spa day in a glass. Kidney stones? Not on lemon water's watch. The citrate in lemons helps prevent kidney stone formation by binding with calcium in urine, reducing the risk of stone development. Lemon water also moonlights as a blood sugar stabilizer. The flavonoids in lemon improve insulin sensitivity, aiding in the regulation of blood sugar levels. This is especially beneficial for diabetes management. But we're not done yet. Lemon water also contributes to maintaining bone density and dental health, thanks to the calcium and potassium present in it. And if all these weren't enough, lemon's bioactive compounds, such as flavonoids and limonene, are linked to inhibiting cancer cell growth and promoting their destruction. Lastly, let's not forget about our eyes. The antioxidants in lemons, like beta-carotene and vitamin E, help reduce the risk of eye conditions such as macular degeneration and cataracts. That's quite a list, isn't it? But the good news doesn't stop there. Now let's talk about how to add this citrusy magic to your nightly routine. It's as easy as an apple pie. Just squeeze the juice from half a lemon into a cup of water. Warm water is preferred for its soothing effects, making it a cozy bedtime companion. And when's the perfect time to drink this? About 30 minutes before you hit the hay. This gives you ample time to reap the benefits without disrupting your sleep. But what about the long haul, you ask? Well, this lemony habit can be a lasting part of your nightly routine. Of course, always stay attuned to your own body's responses. If you notice any changes or discomfort, don't be shy about making adjustments. Maybe try using less lemon, or having it a bit earlier in the evening. Remember, the key is to listen to your body and make modifications as needed. Your health journey is unique, just like the way you take your lemon water. So, are you ready to make lemon water your bedtime buddy? Imagine a lifestyle where you could potentially enhance your health across multiple dimensions by merely sipping a warm, soothing glass of lemon water each night. No extra fuss, just a simple addition to your nightly routine. Pay attention to how your body responds. If you notice any adverse effects like heartburn or tooth enamel erosion, don't hesitate to adjust the frequency or consult with your healthcare provider. Remember, life gave us lemons not just for lemonade, but also for a nightly elixir that could be a step towards a healthier lifestyle. So why not give it a shot? Your body might just thank you for it. Please hit the thumbs up button right now to let YouTube know this content is appreciated. That will help get this content out to those who may need it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is your nutrition navigator signing off.